Hello guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how to save PNG in Procreate. But first, if you are new in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more videos like this. So to start, go to your favorite web browser and then search for how to save PNG on Procreate. And then it will direct you here. So the first thing that we want to do is to open the Actions menu and then select Share. After that, choose PNG from the list. Name your file and then choose a location to save it and then tap on Save. And that's it. If you have a question in this video, don't forget to leave a comment on the comment section. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe